Moose Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to Moose Mobile plans and offers are in the description. Moose Mobile is an Australian mobile operator using the Optus network, offering budget-friendly SIM-only plans with solid coverage and competitive pricing. It's designed for users who want affordable, no-frills service with reliable connectivity. Plans start at low monthly rates with generous data allowances, unlimited calls, and texts within Australia. Moose Mobile regularly runs promotional discounts, making it one of the cheapest options for light to moderate users. Data rollover is available on select plans, ensuring unused data isn't wasted. However, there's no 5G access, only 4G LTE, which is still fast enough for streaming, browsing, and social media. Customer service is based in Australia, with responsive support via phone and email. Activation is simple, with fast SIM delivery and an easy online setup. International call inclusions depend on the plan, so check details before signing up if that's important to you. Moose Mobile is best for budget-conscious users who need reliable coverage without extras like entertainment bundles or international roaming. It's a strong choice for students, seniors, or anyone looking to cut down on mobile costs while still enjoying stable service. The main downsides are the lack of 5G and limited international inclusions. If you need 5G speeds or extensive global calling, other providers may be a better fit. But if you want a simple, cost-effective mobile plan with good coverage, Moose Mobile is worth considering. Check the links in the description to compare plans and find the best deal.